you at the edge of my mind, hanging by a thread in lifeline, just when you would ask for closure.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Chrissy here. Welcome if you are new. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below so you can join the squad. Come on in, bring it on in, all of that. So I didn't do like an intro or whatever, but I did receive this hair from OMGQUEEN. Yeah, I purchased this hair. Okay, this video is nowhere near sponsored. So I did get this in 22 inches, and I also did you know, they added like a free gift or whatever, which is the 3 adjustable straps. And yeah, as you can tell, the hairline is like very nicely plucked. Like it came very nicely plucked, but me being me, I gotta customize it to my liking. You know, this customizer put my little touch on it. Okay, some people can't wear it like this outside of the box, but you know that's not your girl, so yeah. So you guys, this is the kinky straight texture hair. It like mimics African American women hair, and I just love the texture of it. Also, you guys, it did come with adjustable straps and adjustable combs. I said adjustable combs. It came with combs, y'all. Right now, you guys, I'm just going to be showing you guys the products to show y'all like what I'm going to be using to like customize the lace. You know, like kind of tint that lace down some. It is a medium brown lace, so you know you could pretty much add like some powder in it and just do it like that. But me, I just like to bleach the knots and just make it look even more natural. Okay, so yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and mix that up. I do have other videos showing you guys how I do this like in depth, but you know, I'm just showing you guys like how you make it into like a paste and how thick it has to be so it won't like, you know, drip through the lace and like really be dyeing your hair, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, you're just gonna be using a light hand to apply this and just apply it all over the lace part. It also came with like a lace at the back, like, you know, I'll be able to pull it up in a ponytail. I did not customize or like bleach those knots at the back because yeah, I probably will wear it in a ponytail, but not no time soon. Okay. So it should pretty much be looking like this once it's covered, and I will be showing you guys what mine is looking like. Okay, I just went ahead and covered everything. I even covered the combs at the front, okay, because they in the way. But yeah, I'm gonna set my timer to 20 minutes and my stopwatch. I'm gonna set it to 20 minutes, and then once it go off, we're just gonna go ahead and rinse out the lace, you know what I'm saying, and clean out the hair and wash the hair and all that good stuff. So this is what it's looking like when I brought it back. A little bit of the hair is like the baby hair area kind of bleached a little bit, but yeah, I just pretty much went ahead and just like plucked that out because I don't really use that part of the hairline anyway. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys what it's looking like. It's looking really pretty. I really like this hair texture, y'all. Like, it just really looks natural. Okay, I just love it. I went and got my slanted tweezers. I'm just going to be plucking at the hairline, you know, plucking some of the hair out some more. And I try to like make it look more like how I like my baby hairs and my frontals and my hairline to look. And you know, I pretty much like the way my natural hairline looks. So that's pretty much like what I try to mimic on laces when I do it for myself. Yeah, so I'm just gonna be plucking it all out, you guys, and just customizing and everything like that. And yeah, your girl really wanted it to be like where it like fades in, it don't look too thick. And you know, because that's not how my hairline is, like I said before. So that's pretty much what y'all gonna be seeing me doing. Little tip, like when it comes to the plucking, I just like pluck back. Like, I don't just pluck at the hairline. I pluck a little bit at the hairline, and then I pluck backwards. Like, I pluck back inside of the hair, like, if that makes sense. I don't like to just pluck at the hairline because sometimes you can like leave holes in your lace. You can pluck out too much. You know what I'm saying? It's just too much. So you might as well just like pluck a little bit out around the hairline and then like push it back and start plucking back, because like I said, I like it to like fade in. So, you know, if I want it to fade in, I'm gonna have to pluck inside of the hair instead of around the hairline, if that makes sense. So that's why y'all always see me like plucking back, like my hand is just going back and forth, like back. Okay, so that's pretty much what I always do. I try to like make my edges, you know, very fading looking. Okay, I don't like them to be super thick and everything like that, because I do love the baby hair look. And you know, sometimes I won't even like swoop the baby hair on the wigs. I will like make it like where it comes down, you know, it just look like edges or whatever. So yeah, I don't like a lot of hair on there, as you know what I'm saying, I don't like it. So I just go ahead and pluck it out and make it look faded. And you know what I'm saying. So that's what your girl pretty much do, y'all. Okay, you guys, I forgot to mention this wig density at the top is 150 and it's 180 at the back. And I also did tell you guys that it is in 22 inches. And it like comes down almost to like my back. Like the top part of my butt, just about. Okay, and yeah, it's pretty long on me because I'm only 5 feet. And so yeah, it's really nice, you guys. Like, I'm not just capping around. Okay, it's really nice. Okay, of course, when you're like plucking out hairs, you're gonna get some shedding because you're plucking those hairs out. As I'm going to just go in with these razors and customize my baby hairs. Okay, and I'm just going to be taking a rat tail comb as well and just parting out little, you know what I'm saying, I like to kind of squiggle the little comb into the hair, like the hairline area. I don't like it like super straight parts. Like when it comes to the baby hair, I don't want like a super straight part with baby hair. Like, no, I just pretty much just get the rat tail comb and just like squiggle it around and just grab little hairs and just cut them for the baby hair at the edges like that. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much how this goes when it comes to me doing my baby hairs, y'all, as y'all can see. And then yeah, that's pretty much what I'm just gonna be doing, you guys. Y'all can continue watching. Okay, you guys, so I will be going in with the Cream of Nature Argan Oil, and it is the heat protecting oil, and I'm just going to be applying it in the palm of my hands and then applying it to this hair, okay? Because I will be using heat today on this hair, and I want to protect it so it won't be like shedding and breaking off. So right now you see me using my blow dryer, which is heat. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and blow dry this hair on out. Okay, and yeah, that's pretty much what we're gonna be doing. Then afterwards I will be showing you guys what it's looking like, which is like right now. I will be taking the Garnier Fructis to like moisturize the hair, you guys, and just go ahead and like, you know, put that all over the hair, you guys. And I really like this stuff. Like, it works really good on weave. Like, it don't like drown your hair. Like, it don't matter how much you put in there, your hair just will not be like bad looking. Like, you know how some people put too much product and it be heavy and it be looking ugly? Yeah, this not gonna do that. Okay, so I will be pressing out the top part of this hair just a little bit because I will be doing like an up down style with this hair, and I want it to be kind of like a little bit straighter than what it is, okay, for the top portion. And yeah, that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing because I want it to kind of like be sleek a little bit when I pull it up into a ponytail. So yeah, I'm not trying to get it like super straight, but I am trying to go through it like with a few passes. And then yeah, that's pretty much what you're going to be seeing me. That's pretty much what you guys going to be seeing me doing now. So now you guys, it's time to do the hairline. I'm going to be taking a hot comb. It also got to be, right now I'm spraying the got to be, and I'm getting like a hard brush, and I'm just going to be like, well, it has like a hard side and it has like a soft side. So I'm going to be using the softer side to like brush it back and make it like really flat. And so I'm going to be taking my hot comb and just making it even more flatter, okay? And just like getting rid of some of those flyaway hairs that you might see, okay? Like kind of cleaning it up and making it even more flat at the top, okay? So it should pretty much be looking like this once you're done. And yeah, time to apply that wig, okay? So your girl hair has grown, as you guys can see. I just went ahead and like braided it down the best way underneath, okay? Because it's kind of hard for me to braid my own hair, okay? It's easy for me to do everybody else's hair, but when it comes to my hair, like braids wise, scalp braids, it's hard for you girl to do, okay? The other braids I can do, but yeah, on myself it's just kind of harder. Did just go ahead and go in with that got to be freeze blast to like you know, just mold my cap down. And I just pretty much spray that around the hairline and like the ear area because that's where the lace is going to be. I'm taking my blow dryer and making sure everything is dry. You guys, you do want to make sure your cap is completely dry before you move on with the next steps, because if not, it will lift underneath your lace and it will show, okay? I don't like to use the got to be glue gel anymore. I will sometimes like for quick, you know, like something really quick, but I mean the spray is very much quicker, okay? So yeah, that's pretty much why I like to do this method, because it's just pretty quicker and it just saves a lot of time, okay? And yeah, so I'm just going to be going ahead and taking scissors and just cutting out the ear area and then just putting it around my ear like y'all saw me do. And then I'm just going to be going right up the middle of the cap, and then I'm just going to be taking my razor and just like finishing off cutting the cap. I don't like to cut the cap straight across. You kind of want to make sure you are like wiggling it a little bit so it won't be like super straight, because you don't want it to look very wiggish, and I feel like when you do like super straight across, it looks very wiggish. I will be going in with the Morphe foundation and just putting it on top of the cap where the lace will be and just blending it on out. I have used this in previous tutorials and it like matches my skin tone like perfectly. So I'm just going to go ahead and just be applying it today and doing my ball cap method like this. So I went ahead and put the wig on, and today's glue I will be using is the Ghost Bond glue, and I bought mine on Amazon, you guys, and it was about $20. No, my first one I bought on Amazon. This one I bought at the beauty supply store for about $20. Okay, so yeah, I'm just going to be applying like a little bit at a time, and you want to make sure that you are applying it and making sure it's drying sticky. Okay, like it got to be sticky type tacky. It cannot be like gooey and sticky. It has to be like tacky type sticky. Okay, it can't be like gooey because it will show through the lace and you will be able to see the glue like not dried up through the lace pretty much. Okay, you'll be able to see it. Okay, so you got to make sure it is tacky, and you have to be patient, you guys. Take your time. If you take your time, it will come out better than rushing it. Okay, trust. Okay, but no, this glue is pretty good, you guys. I like this glue. I do want to try out other glues, but you know, your girl really don't know. I don't know. I trust this glue though. Okay, so I pretty much did it all, glued it all down. I cut off some of it because of the size were like too long for my head or whatever. It was too big for my head. And yeah, so I'm going in with this Nairobi wrap setting lotion, and I'm just going to be taking those baby hairs that I cut and then just gel them, swoop them. I say gel them. I'm just going to be setting them, okay? And then, you know, just like swooping them and everything, making it look natural. However, you can see like a little white part. I don't know. It could be that's me, but I can see like the white area of my lace, okay? I'm very much aware. However, you want to just go ahead with your tie, your scarf, and let it melt in. Let it melt into that skin. Let it bring it on in. And then we're going to go ahead and style it while it's just sinking into the skin and melting into the skin, okay? I'm doing a half up, half down. I didn't like part it out. I just pretty much grabbed hair. I got the Got to Be glue spray. I'm just going to be spraying it, brushing it, putting it into a ponytail, leaving the rest at the back down, and making sure it's doing that. I'm going to comb it out, and this is what it's looking like, you guys. I'm going to do a 360 for you guys and let y'all see what it's looking like. Okay, I just like this hair, you guys. It is just looking like a whole snack. The hair is a snack, okay? But no, I like the texture of this hair. It's like really, really nice, you guys. I really like it, okay? So moving on, it's time to style it. I'm going in with my wand. Y'all know I love to have me some wand curls, period. So I'm going in with this wand, and I'm just going to go ahead and just curl the ends. And I just decided to like curl it because it was like my birthday and I want to like look more elegant and all of that kind of stuff. So yeah, your girl just decided to, you know, do this, and it was pretty quick because I only did the ends, and I did the top portion, and then I did the portion that's at the back down. And yeah, you guys really gave me a lot of compliments, so yeah, I just went ahead and just decided to like put this video out for you guys. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. If you did, smash that thumbs up button for your girl. Comment your thoughts down below. Let me know if you use any of these products. Have you ever purchased any hair from this hair company? You know, follow me on all my social networks that you guys see scrolling across the screen. All of that good stuff. Your girl do follow back. I do show love, period. Okay, I do really appreciate you guys for supporting my channel, and I see you guys in the next one. Peace out. It blends out good. We're going in with the new product, which is the Be Simone Beauty Detox Gloss, and I'm just going to pop that on. You guys, this is so creamy. This stuff is really, really nice.